So in this video I'm gonna show you how to intercept server request and response from your iPhone on your Mac. So it's pretty helpful for debugging your apps when you need to intercept requests and modify response for debugging purposes. So what you're gonna need is a Burp Suite Community Edition. I'll just close this one. Yes, thank you. So we'll uh, start from the beginning. So the community edition is completely free. It doesn't require a license, so you can directly use it. So I'm gonna start it up with the default settings. You cannot actually create a new project because it requires a license. So all your settings will go away once you close it. So what you wanna do is you need to do a little bit of setup on your Mac. So right in proxy in options you need to add a proxy listener. So you need to add a port. So normally 8082 is free, so you can add that, and you need to listen to all interfaces so that you can listen to your phone. And yes, and that's done. That's all you need to do on your Mac, and rest stuff you need to do on your phone. So I have got this my phone mirroring on QuickTime Player. So what you want to do is go to settings. In your Wi-Fi info, you want to configure the proxy. So right now it's set to automatic. You want to go to manual and set the server as the IP address of your Mac. So right now it is 192.168.0.103. Oh, I hate that. Why can't you move it? Sorry about that. Okay, yeah. And your port's gonna be 8082, and that's is all. You don't require any authentication, I guess. Save, and that's done. So your uh, as you can oh my god, as you can see, now we are at manual configure proxy. How do I move this? One sec. Yeah. So next, you want your websites to actually trust the certificate. So you need to install the Burp certificate so that the proxy can actually work, and you can actually see the server request and response. So you wanna go to Safari or any of the web browsers you have, and just type this HTTP, because you already have Burp. Yeah, that's all. And just go. So as you will see, it will open this website. From here, if you tap on CA certificate authority certificate, it will allow you to download the profile. Once it is installed, you can just close this, and in your settings you will find the profile downloaded option. You just go there and install the Portsfigure certificate. Portsfigure is the one that made Burp Suite. So just install it, and once it's done, your certificates auto run, but you need to trust the certificate. So what you want to do is go back, come to general settings, go to about, and certificate trust settings. You want to go there and trust the certificate. Yeah, you provided it the access, but don't normally use this if you are browsing your doing a normal browsing, like accessing your bank data and stuff like that. Only activate it when you are actually debugging your app and things like that. So this is done. So we have tested the certificate and that, and here as you can see our intercept is on. So let's try something. So I have this website open. I'm gonna refresh it. So as you can see, I got the request here. That was Wikipedia's website. So this is the request, and if I forward it, it will go. And here, let me open this. I got more requests. Let's just forward them all. So until the intercept is on, it will keep forwarding them. So you can turn it off to stop intercepting, and that's done. So on my phone, here it is. But what about the response? We only saw the request, right? So let's do that once again. So I'm gonna just do this so I can see my phone as well. So I'm gonna turn it on, refresh the page again. So I got this. So what you wanna do is do intercept response to this request. You wanna press that and then forward it. So I got a response. So let's search for this article label. So here at the bottom you can search. So that's article label. So as you can see in the, here's my title, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna modify it to something else. Let's say I don't understand this title, whatever, and forward it. So as you can see here, the page opened, but the response, because I modified the response, the title is whatever I entered. I don't understand this title. So this is how you can use it to intercept your request and response. And as you can see, there are all your parameters, headers, the hex values, everything is here, and you can drop the request, forward it there. Burp Suite also has multiple other functionalities which you can use, like repeater, sequencer, to constantly send requests. And there are also more options, like if you go here, you can see which server responses to intercept. So here you can add those hosts to intercept their response. And there's also intercept client request if you specifically want to intercept only a few requests, stuff like that. You can explore it out. So this is just the basics, and this is not a simulator, it's my phone itself. So that is how you do it. Thanks for watching.